Oxygen. We breathe it, we need it. But what if it vanished for 5 seconds? Spoiler alert, chaos. Let's start with your lungs. You wouldn't even have time to gasp. But that's the least of your worries. No oxygen means no ozone layer. So, hello instant sunburn. All metal would instantly fuse together. Planes? They'd fall from the sky. And your car? Good luck getting that door open. The Earth's crust? It would crumble as oxygen binds it together. And the ocean? It'd start evaporating. Bye-bye beach day. Sounds wild, right? So next time you take a breath, be thankful for that sweet, sweet oxygen. For more mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious.